So guys, this is the view here again. I think up there, up here, or up here, down here. I mean down here. It has a rice terraces. That's why there are there are many trees here covering them, and it ruined the best view. And that's why it is better for the drone. Yeah, drone here. So we will just go down. I think no, this is a big no when I will come here in the early on the morning. I think this is not the best spot for me, because I'm just looking on the spot here in which I can notice the beauty of sea of clouds and sunrise. That's my main target. Because actually I many times already, maybe 6 times or 7 times already, that I plan to come here 4 o'clock to 3 o'clock to 4 o'clock a.m. but I'm nervous. Honestly, I'm nervous to come here. I don't know. So this is the view here, and there are trees down there. So as you can see, there are rice terraces there, down there. So we can see the view for this Sitio Fabari here. You can see the real beauty. You can see it. So I will just go down here. But honestly, that way in that area is where I want to take a picture for the sunrise and sea of clouds. Although up there it must be better for me to take a picture there, but there are many trees here. That's why I need to go down, because I can't take a picture up there because there are many trees covering the view. Although it is high mountain, but it has many pine trees. I think this is not a good spot already. This is not a good spot again. I think down there, going down there. Maybe I will just walk here for me to show you the view. No, you can't see it. The view, good view. There are many trees again. So we'll just go down, continue going down. Again, so there are mushrooms here, but I don't know if that is eatable. Actually, if I have a very I'll eat. Maybe just experiment eating mushrooms. No, there is. I think there's a good spot. I think up there or down here. Or I can take a picture of the rice terraces. I'll show you if that spot is down there because I just checked there in that area and there's no good area. I mean it is good to take a picture but via drone. I think this has we can already take a picture here. Nope. Oh, there's a human reindeer. I don't know how. Ooh. I'm afraid I have a. I think I'll just follow their trail for me to check if it's good, but this is seems like a very bad idea because once you sleep there, no, 90% you will die down there. Oh, seems like on the camera seems like it has a good trail, but in reality I'm very nervous now because I feel like, oh, this is the view here. So I'll show you again in this area. We will just follow this human trail here. It is very dangerous here. Oh, I just left the mushrooms there and come here just for me to check out if there's a good spot here. Wow, there are human trails here. Honestly, there are human trails here. This is my first time noticing it, that there's a human trail here. Oh, I see. Wow, I see. Now I know. So that's the view here. So whether I'll go up there, when I go up there, it will ruin the view. That's why it is better to go down. Because when I go up, there's tree there, these trees. It is good here because this tree is the only one that has a problem, and the trunk of that tree. Oh, there's a good spot here, but if I would like to take a picture via on this landscape, it will not. The problem is there in that area. We can't see the rice fields there, and in down there, as I just said, there are rice fields there and down there, just down there. So I'll end the video here and I'll take a picture. I think I'll just take a picture here, then I'll just a picture there, right? I don't know if that's a good idea, but I think it is. Wow. So guys, I'll just end here as I just said, and maybe I'll just continue the other parts down there when I go there. and when I go home. So I'll just take a picture and start a video again.